I'm Eric with 1073 Crypto. Been here before, welcome back. If this is your first time, so glad to have you. As always, if you could, hit the like and subscribe button. I know, every video you go to, it says hit the like and subscribe button. Well, the reason that is because YouTube's algorithm picks up on those. So it helps us out and we can get more videos out to you. Now let's get going. Today what we're going to be talking about is a Crypto.com credit card. I just got the Ruby one. So we're going to do an open box, show you how it comes in the mail and everything. You can see it. And also show you how to activate it. And we'll show you why you might want to get one. Let's get going. So here we go. This is how it came. Of course, I already opened the bag, didn't come like that. But anyway, you can see it came from Jacksonville, Florida. And I'm thinking, let's see. And there we go. All right, let's open it up. Boom, there it is. The Ruby card. It's nice. So that's what it looks like. That's how it comes. Okay, so you go to the Crypto.com app. Go down here to the bottom where it has a little credit card symbol. Now go to the top where it has a credit card symbol. And you'll see where it has activate physical card. Click on there. Got to enter in the security code on the back. Just that easy. Set up your PIN. Confirm. There you go. It's just that easy. Alrighty, here we are. We're on the Crypto.com website. You can come on here, go on to products, hit the metal Visa card. It's going to come up to this page. Basically tell you all about the credit card, everything you need to know. I'm not going to spoon feed it to you, but this is where you get the information. Come on here, you can scroll down. It'll show you the different tiers. You basically got the Midnight Blue, the Ruby Steel, the Royal Indigo and Jade Green, the Frosted Rose Gold and Icy White and Obsidian. So as you can see, the higher the card, the more benefit you're going to get. And the way you get the card is by staking CRO, which is the Crypto.com token. You can see for the Ruby, you have to stake 400, 4,000, 40,000, and 400,000. So depending on the amount of CRO that you stake will determine what card you can get. And once again, you can just go to the Crypto.com website, And I'll have all this information there for you. There's no fees. If you wanted to know, is it a debit card? Is it a credit card? How does it work? How do I get one? You just scroll right on down and boom, got all your answers right there. You can go through, get the information that you need, make the decision that's right for you. Another good feature is that you can manage your card through the app. So you always got your cell phone with you. You can always bring up the app and look and see the status of your card and your balance and what's going on with it. That's another great feature. But that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. If you want to learn more about the card, crypto.com, products, metal credit card. That's where you find all the answers. So there you go. I mean, you can look more into it on their app and everything. But if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. If there's any other videos on certain things you want to see, throw it in the comment section. Like I stated before, we'll be doing one on VV and UFC Strike. They're two NFT companies. They're killing it out there. But stay tuned and please hit the like and subscribe. Thank you so much. And as always, stay safe.